bodies. So in this question it is given that equation of motion of a body is dv by dt is equals to minus 4v plus 8, where v is the velocity in meters per second and t is time in seconds. Initial velocity of the particle is given as 0. Then, so here we have to find out about two terms, that is in option A we have to find the initial rate of change of acceleration, and in second option we have to find the terminal velocity. We have to check about these two options. So first let us take the equation of the body given, which is dv by dt is equals to minus 4v plus 8. dv by dt is nothing about acceleration, so I am taking this as A. So in the question it is given that A is equals to minus 4v plus 8. Now we want the rate of change of acceleration, means dA upon dt. So differentiate this equation with respect to time. So this will be dA upon dt is equals to minus 4 into dv upon dt, and 8 differentiation will be 0. dv upon dt is nothing but acceleration, which is given as minus 4v plus 8. So here we can say rate of change of acceleration will be is equals to minus 4 into minus 4v plus 8. We want initial rate of change of acceleration at t is equal to 0. Initial velocity of the body is given as 0, so this minus 4v term will be equal to 0. So this is minus 4 times 8, that will be minus 32 meter per second cube. So this option A will be wrong. Now let us check about option B. Terminal velocity of the body is 2 meters per second. Terminal velocity is the velocity attained by the body after a long time. So let us take the same equation again, which is dv upon dt is equals to minus 4v plus 8. First let us find the expression for the velocity of the particle. So bring all the v terms one side, that is dv upon minus 4v plus 8 is equals to dt. Now integrate this. Let us assume at a time t, velocity of the body is v. So this integration will be ln minus 4v plus 8 into 1 upon minus 4 is equals to integral dt will be t. As the lower limit is 0, I can directly write this. So here we can write ln minus 4v plus 8 is equals to minus 4t. If you remove the logarithm, this will be minus 4v plus 8 is equals to e power minus 4t. We want terminal velocity. Terminal velocity is the velocity attained after a long time, means substitute t is equal to infinity. So this right hand side will become e power minus infinity. E power minus infinity will be tending towards 0. So here the terminal velocity, I am writing it as vt plus 8 is equal to 0. So here 4 times terminal velocity will be is equals to 8, or we can say terminal velocity will be is equals to 2 meter per second. So this option B will be correct. Option A is wrong, option B is correct. So these two will be also wrong. Option A will be the correct option for this question.